The GSI Corti includes a menu that allows you to customize device and test settings. Many settings, like clock settings and language settings, are self-explanatory and will not be reviewed in this tutorial. The user manual has detailed explanations of each. The customized settings are accessed in the instrument's setting menu. To access, press the down button 2 or 3 times until the date and time appears. Then, press and hold the down button for 3 seconds or until the green ready light turns off and release. The wireless printing menu will appear. This indicates that you are in the instrument settings menu. From this menu, you can scroll through the settings using the up or down navigation buttons. To change the settings, you will use the right and left navigation buttons. Any changes that are made in the instrument setting menu will be saved automatically. To exit the menu, continue to scroll through down until the Corti returns to the Ready to Test screen. There are additional diagnostic test settings in the GSI Corti which require advanced knowledge of OAEs. Professionals should review the Corti user manual for a complete explanation of these settings.